Congratulations, Miss Stabbington. You have given birth to a healthy baby girl.
Thank you. She is wonderful. I love her.
Hello, I am Nurse Ava. We have found something weird in your daughter's blood test. Wait, may we take her for one more further exam?
Of course.
We hope your daughter is okay. There's something wrong with her.
Before we start the experiment, would you like to name your daughter, dear? Yes, miss. I will name her, Ella. Ella is a beautiful name. We're going to. It's gonna be okay. After the exam. It's okay, sweetie. We're done. He's gonna have a drink. Time to go wake her up. Sweetie, time to wake up.
Mom!
First day of school.
What? It's first day of school already of high school?
Yeah.
What?
I
Oh,
have
okay.
you a donut.
Okay.
Sorry, we don't have an oven.
I guess I'll get vanilla. It looks delicious. But Mom, I don't want to go. Sabrina will be there.
Sweetie, don't you have your BFF there?
Oh, Ava?
Yeah.
I mean, Rihanna? She'll be there.
You mean Rose? Have you not seen her in that long?
We haven't seen her since 3rd grade, Mom. We're still BFFs, though. Ever since she moved to Massachusetts. Okay, Mom. I'm still trying to get over the fact that we live in a tree house. Mom, were you so broke that you couldn't afford a real house?
It's not that sweet. Now, why don't you have it again?
Okay. Can I sit in the front? Mom, I'm old enough.
Oh, fine.
I'm 16. I guess. Wow, the world looks so much different. I'm stuck in the... Mom, you left me.
Sorry.
Why does it always happen? Hurry.
Trying to.
Mom, where are you?
Sorry, dear. I had some difficulties getting back in the other world.
Guess I'll have to walk to school. Whatever.
Not even that far, dear.
Mom, end the call already. I'm walking to school now.
Okay, dear.
Bye, Mom.
I hope you have a good day.
Bye. Hello, class. My name is Mrs. Oof. And today you guys don't have to do anything since it's the first day of school. I'll let you do whatever you want. So go to the park. Maybe you can go meet up with your friends or something. It's great. It's a great day.
I agree, Mrs.
Okay, just go out. Come on.